crap. Alright, this is our electrical horizon when the sun rises between the 8:30 time and the 11:30 a.m. time. It's electrical sun simulator hooked to these clouds. The darkened areas is actually the aperture in the background, a reflection of it. And the plasma and metals in the clouds make it look so much bigger than it is. This is actually attached to the International Space Station. I will have a video to follow. If you have eyes to see, you can see the aperture attached to the simulated sun from the ISS. Look at the lightened areas in the background, not the sun, not the clouds, look into the sky at the areas lighter, like it's a shadow or shade, but they're actually lighter. And you can see the elements and the terminals and the wires and the pulleys, pulley hooks. This is still attached to the aperture. You're going to see a part of the sun turn into a hooked cloud. It's going to raise up, and it's also going to become unattached at one time so that the sun can then go into free orbit, the sun simulator into free orbit in our atmosphere, whatever it's called, where there's actually an orbit that they can go around in our magnetic atmosphere. There's the arm coming up out of the sun now. This arm is going to unattach also. And once again, continuously look in the background. It looks like a spider web, but look closer and you'll see lines, pulleys, terminals, Y clamps, and hooks. Every blue moon you can see the real yellow of our sun peeping through. This is like a cubed thing. It has, you can see the blue circular lens above it. This flips back and shows a more rounded sun underneath it. It adjusts as it goes through the horizon. That's when sometimes you can catch circular little lights with it. That arm broke free earlier. I should have pointed it out. And it's going to detach from this cloud underneath it and eventually turn into the bright sun up in the sky without clouds around it. Behind that, you can actually see the red optical lens behind the blue. It's very faint. But look at the wires down here below the sun in the cloud.